Welcome to CataList. In this tutorial video, you'll learn how to request advanced reading copies in CataList. Advanced reading copies, also known as ARCs or galleys, give you early access to publishers' most exciting new stories, a must when you want to provide informed book recommendations. Start by logging into your CataList account at bnccatalyst.ca. You'll need to have a librarian, retailer, wholesaler, or media account to access the various reading copy request methods available on the platform. As we begin, it's important to note that not all forthcoming titles are available for reading copy requests. It's up to individual publishers to decide which books will be available as ARCs based on their own business needs. CataList makes it easy to identify which titles you can request by including one or more request buttons on eligible listings. These options are visible whether you're viewing a catalog or a specific title detail page. There are two main ways to request reading copies in CataList. First, you can request a reading copy directly through the publisher. If available, click the Request an ARC button to let the publisher know that you're interested in receiving a reading copy. You can indicate your preferred format and, depending on what you choose, other pertinent information, such as your mailing address and your role at your organization. You should also include the professional reason for your request. For example, if you're publishing a review or evaluating a book for library acquisition. Simply liking the author's work might not present enough of a business case for the publisher to provide a free copy, so don't skip this step. Once you've finished your request, click the Send Request button. You'll receive a copy of the message in case you need to follow up with the publisher at a later date. The second way you can request reading copies in CataList is through NetGalley. NetGalley is a website that offers digital reading copies to book reviewers, librarians, booksellers, and other trade or industry professionals. Click the Request at NetGalley button to see the selected books page on the NetGalley website. Once there, follow the instructions on the screen to complete your request. Remember that it is publishers themselves who decide which requests to approve, and availability may be limited. You can also run a search to see all the CataList titles that are available on NetGalley. When you're logged in, you can find a quick link to this search on the CataList homepage. Click the link under the NetGalley logo to run the search. When your search results load, the page displays the Request at NetGalley button for each title that returns. For your convenience, you can refine your results using the filtering options in the left-hand sidebar to show only the books that fit your needs. And there you have it. You're now an expert in requesting advanced reading copies in CataList. Happy reading! Want to expand your CataList knowledge? Find links to related tutorial videos in the description below.